Hi everybody, I hope you guys are having an amazing week. With all the hustle and bustle of Christmas, I realized the other day that I don't even have a holiday wreath on my own front door. Disgraceful. I had to hop in my craft room and I was looking around and I was like, you know what? I'm going to make a beautiful burlap Christmas wreath with some supplies that I had. So in this video, you're going to see me use a 14-inch frame that I picked up from Dollar Tree. And I had some of this Christmas burlap, and I believe that was from Hobby Lobby. The last time I popped in there, they still had a bunch on clearance. So if you don't have any on hand, run over there and get you some. You're going to need about 6 rolls. If making a burlap wreath is a completely new thing for you, not to worry. I do have another video that goes more in depth and it's a lot slower, giving you more step-by-step instruction on how to complete a project like this. Please feel free to check that out. For the centerpiece of my wreath, I took this wooden reindeer and stained it. I had picked it up at Joann's. And then for the center, I decided to add some permanent vinyl. For some finishing touches, I added some Mod Podge around the edges and added some faux snow. There's my finished wreath hanging on my very own front door. I hope you guys got some great inspiration from watching this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'll be doing a lot more projects in the new year, and I'm looking forward to it. I hope you guys have a great holiday, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.